Hello, and thanks for watching. NORA can automatically choose the correct shell for many commands, but understanding how that process works can help you avoid subtle execution issues. In this video, we'll look at the detection rules, explore a few edge cases, and discuss when it's better to manually select the shell instead of relying on automatic detection. The download link for NORA is in the description. Don't forget to subscribe. Let's get right to it. NORA can automatically detect which shell a command should use based on its syntax. Automatic detection relies on a small set of keywords and patterns. Commands containing get dash, set dash, $env:, where object, or $_ are routed to PowerShell. Commands using grep, awk, zargs, or sed are routed to bash. Everything else defaults to cmd. When NORA launches a PowerShell command, it routes through cmd.exe before reaching PowerShell.exe. Because of that intermediary step, double-quoted strings can sometimes be modified. The recommended approach is to use single quotes for static string values in PowerShell, since single quotes are treated literally and pass through unchanged. One thing to keep in mind is that auto-detection only looks for those specific markers. Many valid PowerShell commands do not contain them. For example, a simple write host command will not be detected as PowerShell and will be sent to cmd instead. For that reason, the best practice is to explicitly set the shell whenever you know a command is intended for PowerShell or Bash. It takes only a moment and ensures the command runs in the correct environment every time.